Hello, Kimera Hashiv and Jew agus Falcha Gaelic le Joseph. Falcha Orav Ton Tai Solish. Welcome to the Lighthouse of Gaelic. We're going through Sam's moods. Now, we have some things written down here to say how he's feeling today. It's really interesting because when we talk about moods in Gaelic, we sometimes talk about moods being on us, in the same way as we can talk about professions being in us. Gaelic is very much about things being on us, in us, in the case of having things at us. But there's also other ways you can do it, just like English. You can say, I am. You can see here what I've written. I've said, Hasamagra Gavil e Sona and Jew. Sam is saying he's happy today. Hasamagra Gavil e Sona and Jew. Some people say mutter upon them, others simply say I am in Gaelic. My understanding is that if it's something, for example, expressing a general mood, yeah, I'm happy, then you can use the happiness is on me way. But if you want to say I'm happy today or right now or whatever, then you would use the modern English way, just to say I am. Because being on me is much more poetic and wider, I think. So it says here, Hasamagra Guvil Sona and Jew. Sam is saying he's happy today. Hassam Agra Guvil is Sona and Jew. I've just written this so that you can see. If you want to say it the other way, Hassam Agra Guvil, and obviously happiness is going to be a different word here, Iviness Iranju. Sam is saying that happiness is on him today, and that's using the prepositional form on him being air, which you'll remember when we went through the names. I think it was towards the end of last year. So they both convey the idea of being happy. It's a matter of style and which pattern you prefer. In modern Gaelic, it's completely natural to say Hamisona. Hamisona and you, I'm happy today. So we've done that one. Ek amanen ha mi bronach. Bronach. Sometimes or at times, I am sad. Let's see. Hami ski, I'm tired. Hami fieragach, I'm angry. Hami dochasach, I'm hopeful. Hami nervach, I'm nervous. Hami draggle, I'm worried. Hami viren, I'm excited. For example, if there's good news. Hami imakinyach, I'm anxious. Okay, and I've just written in there again as an example about the future sometimes. I'll take these end bits out so they don't confuse you. And here I've said, when I'm unsure, I talk to a friend, but I think that one's a bit too hard to look at. So again, I'm going to take that out. And I've just given some examples of the prepositional ones. Habron oram, I have sorrow on me, I am sad. And we used another one earlier, which was bronach, basically meaning sadness. Okay. The next one we've already done. If we just go back up, you can see that word here. We have it a little bit further up. There it is. Yes. Iviness. Okay, so we can say that here. Ha iviness orum. I have joy on me. And ha ekel orum. I have fear on me. And that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Gav Malishko, excuse me, or I'm sorry if this has been very complicated. It's not meant to be, but you can see it's quite straightforward. And these are Sam's moods. Sam is telling us, Sam agra, Guvel, Sona, and Ju. There we are. Okay, that's it. Tapalet another day, and I'll see you all again soon. Chiri and